Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of midsize pickup trucks for 2024 and 2025. Whether you're an off-road adventurer, a weekend warrior, or someone looking for a reliable daily driver with plenty of utility, these trucks have something for everyone. Let's take a closer look at some of the most impressive options available on the market and explore their towing capacities, payloads, cargo volumes, and much more. Buckle up as we break down these rugged machines and their incredible features. First up, we have the 2024 Ford Ranger Raptor, a truck built for extreme off-roading and unparalleled performance. Measuring an impressive 212 inches in length, with a width of 79 inches and a height of 78 inches, the Ranger Raptor stands out with its muscular stance and bold design. Under the hood lies a 3-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing a thrilling 405 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and Fox live valve shocks, this truck is built to dominate rocky trails and rough terrains with ease. It boasts a towing capacity of 5,500 pounds, making it perfect for hauling small trailers or boats, and a maximum payload of 1,400 pounds, ideal for outdoor equipment and gear. Its bed size of 52.8 cubic feet ensures ample cargo space for all your adventures. Inside, the Ranger Raptor combines ruggedness with modern technology, featuring a 12-inch touchscreen, supportive bolstered seats, and multiple off-road modes. Starting at $56,000, it's a true thrill machine that comes with Ford's comprehensive 3-year or 36,000-mile basic warranty and 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Next, let's talk about the 2025 Nissan Frontier, a rugged and practical option for those who need a truck that balances work and play. With dimensions of 205 inches in length, 73 inches in width, and 71 inches in height, the Frontier is compact enough for city driving while offering plenty of utility. Powered by a 3.8-liter V6 engine, it delivers 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque through a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. The Frontier impresses with a towing capacity of 6,720 pounds and a payload capacity of 1,610 pounds, making it a top contender in its segment. Its 58 cubic feet bed offers versatility, while its cabin includes an 8-inch touchscreen with optional upgrades to a 9-inch display, as well as smartphone connectivity. Starting at $30,000, it's backed by Nissan's impressive 5-year or 60,000-mile basic warranty. Moving on to the 2025 Toyota Tacoma, a fully redesigned powerhouse that combines bold styling with hybrid efficiency. Measuring 212 inches in length, 79 inches in width, and 76 inches in height, the Tacoma's robust build is complemented by its impressive capabilities. Its towing capacity of 6,500 pounds makes it ideal for adventurous hauls, while a payload capacity of 1,700 pounds ensures you can handle heavy loads. The redesigned bed offers 60 cubic feet of cargo space, providing class-leading utility. The Tacoma's powertrain options include a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine and the advanced iForce Max hybrid system, which delivers a combined 326 horsepower. Inside, it features a luxurious cabin with a 14-inch touchscreen, premium materials, and Toyota Safety Sense for added peace of mind. Starting at $28,000, the Tacoma is covered by Toyota's 3-year or 36,000-mile warranty and 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. The 2024 Honda Ridgeline, a truck that combines comfort, utility, and innovative features. Measuring 210 inches in length, 78 inches in width, and 72 inches in height, the Ridgeline offers a refined design with plenty of practicality. Its towing capacity of 5,000 pounds makes it suitable for light trailers or boats, while its payload capacity of 1,583 pounds ensures versatility for various needs. The standout feature is its 7.3 cubic feet in-bed trunk, perfect for securely storing tools, beverages, or other essentials. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 280 horsepower, the Ridgeline delivers smooth, car-like handling thanks to its unibody construction. Inside, the cabin is equipped with an 8-inch touchscreen, wireless smartphone connectivity, and advanced safety features. Starting at $39,000, the Ridgeline comes with Honda's 3-year or 36,000-mile basic warranty and 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. The 2025 Hyundai Santa Cruz, a compact yet highly capable truck that's perfect for urban adventurers and weekend warriors. Measuring 195 inches in length, 75 inches in width, and 67 inches in height, the Santa Cruz offers a sleek and sporty design with a unibody construction that delivers car-like handling. Don't let its compact size fool you. This truck is ready to work. With a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds when equipped with the turbocharged engine and a payload capacity of 1,753 pounds, it's more capable than you might expect. Its 27 cubic feet bed includes a lockable in-bed trunk, adding a layer of versatility for storing tools, gear, or even your groceries. Under the hood, you have two options: a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine or a turbocharged variant that produces 281 horsepower. The interior is designed with comfort and technology in mind, featuring an 8-inch touchscreen with optional upgrades to a 10.3-inch display, as well as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Santa Cruz is a fantastic urban companion with a starting price of $26,000 and comes with Hyundai's industry-leading 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Next up is the 2025 Ford Maverick, a compact truck redefining affordability and practicality in the pickup segment. Measuring 199 inches in length, 72 inches in width, and 69 inches in height, the Maverick combines a rugged look with compact dimensions, ideal for city life. Its towing capacity of 4,000 pounds with the optional EcoBoost engine is impressive, and it boasts a payload capacity of 1,500 pounds. The bed offers 33.3 cubic feet of cargo space, perfect for smaller loads or weekend projects. The Maverick comes in two powertrain options: a standard hybrid that achieves an incredible 37 miles per gallon, and a 2-liter EcoBoost engine delivering 250 horsepower for those seeking extra power. Inside, the Maverick features an 8-inch touchscreen, a simple yet functional cabin, and ample storage options. Starting at $23,000, it's one of the most affordable trucks on the market and comes with Ford's 3-year or 36,000-mile warranty. Moving on to GMC, we have two heavy hitters: the 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 and the 2025 GMC Canyon. The Sierra 1500 is a full-size truck designed for heavy-duty tasks, measuring a commanding 233 inches in length, 81 inches in width, and 78 inches in height. It has a towing capacity of 13,200 pounds when equipped with the powerful 6.2-liter V8 engine and a payload capacity of 2,180 pounds. Its 62.9 cubic feet bed provides ample space for large cargo loads. The 2025 GMC Canyon, on the other hand, is more compact at 212 inches in length, 74 inches in width, and 79 inches in height. With a towing capacity of 7,700 pounds and a payload capacity of 1,600 pounds, it's built for versatility. The Canyon's 55 cubic feet bed is perfect for smaller but equally demanding tasks. The AT4X trim offers advanced off-road capabilities, making it a serious contender for adventure enthusiasts. Starting at $38,000, the Canyon combines practicality with rugged appeal, while the Sierra starts at $36,000 for its base model. The 2025 Jeep Gladiator, the ultimate blend of off-road capability and pickup practicality. Measuring 218 inches in length, 73 inches in width, and 76 inches in height, the Gladiator is ready for any adventure. It offers a towing capacity of 7,700 pounds with the optional diesel engine and a payload capacity of 1,710 pounds. The 56.7 cubic feet bed provides enough space for gear, camping equipment, or weekend project materials. Under the hood, the Gladiator offers a 3.6-liter V6 engine producing 285 horsepower with an optional diesel engine for added torque. The interior is rugged yet modern, featuring an 8.4-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and premium materials and higher trims. Starting at $40,000, the Gladiator is a top pick for those who want Jeep's legendary off-road capabilities in a pickup format. Jeep's 3-year or 36,000-mile basic warranty and 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty provide added peace of mind. Lastly, we have the 2024 Ford Ranger is a masterful blend of rugged capability and everyday practicality, making it a standout in the mid-size truck market. With its bold design, featuring a muscular grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines, the Ranger is as stylish as it is durable. Measuring 211 inches in length, 78 inches in width, and 72 inches in height, this truck commands attention wherever it goes. Its 18-inch alloy wheels and sturdy frame ensure it's ready for both urban commutes and off-road adventures. Under the hood, the Ranger offers two potent engine options. The standard 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged 4-cylinder delivers 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, perfect for efficiency and everyday performance. For those seeking more power, the optional 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 produces a formidable 315 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, providing excellent towing and hauling capabilities. Both engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive shifts. With a ground clearance of 9.7 inches and an available four-wheel drive system, the Ranger is primed for tackling tough terrains with confidence. When it comes to utility, the 2024 Ford Ranger impresses with its specs. It boasts a towing capacity of 7,500 pounds, a payload capacity of 1,805 pounds, and a bed volume of 61 cubic feet, making it ideal for hauling everything from work tools to weekend adventure gear. Inside, the Ranger combines functionality with comfort. Its cabin features supportive seating for up to 5 passengers, available in durable cloth or premium leather upholstery. A standard 10.1-inch touchscreen anchors the dashboard with an upgrade to a 12-inch display available. Ford's Sync 4 infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto ensure seamless connectivity, while an optional Bang & Olufsen sound system enhances the audio experience. Extras like heated seats, dual-zone climate control, and a panoramic sunroof add a touch of luxury to this rugged ride. Safety is a priority in the Ranger, which comes equipped with Ford's Copilot 360 suite of driver assistance features, including automated emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist. Higher trims add adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera, and evasive steering assist for added peace of mind. Priced from $32,000 to $46,000, the Ranger is backed by a 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, and a 5-year roadside assistance plan. With its perfect mix of toughness, advanced features, and everyday usability, the 2024 Ford Ranger is ready to meet the demands of any lifestyle. And there you have it, 10 incredible mid-size pickup trucks that bring a unique blend of power, utility, and innovation to the table. Whether you're looking for rugged off-road capabilities, impressive towing power, or a family-friendly design, these trucks deliver in every aspect. Let us know in the comments which one caught your eye, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews and comparisons.